Hi, Mom. How are you? I keep promising to show you the hair dryer workout. And so here it is. I've got my hair dryer, and this is what I do. And there it is, Mom. It's so easy. You can just keep going, maybe brush it a little in the middle. And your hair is magically dry, and you've managed to really work your abs. I do this workout every time I dry my hair, which in the winter is about 3 times a week. And in the summer, I really don't dry my hair much. I just roll down the windows of my car. But it's a really, really good workout. And I tend to wash my hair on days when I have a lot going on because I want to look my best. And those are also the days when I'm the busiest, when I have the least time to work out. So I just incorporate the workout to the drying of the hair, kind of like the days I do my nails, and I get it done. So that's today's workout. Love you, Mom. Bye.